Hi, I'm Jerry Hess, driver of the number 11 FedEx transporter for Joe Gibbs Racing. I just want to thank pilot Flying J for putting on a challenge like this for all the truck drivers out there. It's always a fun time to come out and compete like this and do this and do a great job doing it for us. And the great job you guys are doing with all the renovations and all your pilot Flying J locations, the new restaurants and the updates to them all. They're great places to stop and get fuel.
Hey, it's Greg Sorber with the number 22 Shell Pennzoil Dodge from Penske Racing. Hey guys, I'd just like to say thanks to everybody from Flying J. You know, I really have always loved your truck stops, but never really could utilize them because I always had that COM data card. But since you did the whole COM data thing, I love it, man. Awesome. Made my life so much easier. Got the nice new remodeled Flying J truck stops along with the good pilot truck stops that they've always had. Top notch, guys. Keep it up.
I'm Dale Lackey, the driver of the 47 transporter at Michael Waltrip Racing, and I just want to thank pilot Flying J for the opportunity to do these truck driver challenges. It's greatly appreciated. It gives us truck drivers a chance to show our driving skills and our talents, and to show the other team members, crew members, that our job is important. And if it wasn't for pilot Flying J, we'd just be another part of the team. But our job is important, driving these haulers, transporters. So again, thanks to pilot Flying J for the opportunity to showcase what we can do.